Okay, so I'm going to sketch these out with different colors just so you see. It says measure of angle AOC is 85. This whole thing is 85 degrees. Okay. Measure of BOC, BOC right here, that is described algebraically as 2x plus 10. And measure of angle AOB right here in green is 4x minus 15. Well, we know the angle addition postulate says the green angle plus the blue angle, since they share a common ray, a common side, they say they are adjacent angles. And if they are adjacent, right next to each other with no overlap, then we can add them together to find out what, in this case, the red angle AOC is. So we're going to do it algebraically. We're going to say, let's see. We'll say that 4x minus 15 plus 2x plus 10 is equal to 85. Sorry about that. Okay. So we got 6x, 4x plus 2x is 6x, and negative 15 plus 10 is minus 5. Negative 5 equals 85. And adding 5 to both sides, we get 6x equals 90. And we will do then 6x divided by 6 equals 90 divided by 6. And we get x equals 15. That's what x is. They're not asking us what x is, though. They're asking us what the angles measure. What is the degree measure of BOC, which is the blue one? So we take 2x plus 10. Let's do it in blue so you can kind of associate them together. Okay, 2x plus 10. And then we're going to substitute in what we found x to be equal to, 15 plus 10. 2 times 15 is 30, plus 10 is 40. So that's angle 40. I'm sorry, that angle measures 40, and B is the only answer that has that. So let's just verify by plugging into the other one and just make sure that we're correct. And then they want to know what is AOB. And AOB we found, AOB is in green, and we have that one as 4x minus 15. So we substitute in 15 for x, 4 times 15 minus 15. 4 times 15 is 60. 60 minus 15 is 45. And that matches with what we know there. So the correct answer is B. We've done it.